Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Sam. I hope all of you are doing it super great today. So Apple just released iOS 12.3.2, and as always, I want to tell you guys what's new, whether or not you should update, and actually this time, what specific devices it's available for. So if you're excited for the update video, drop a like down below. Always helps me out. I really appreciate it, and hit subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest Apple news. Let's go ahead and get started with iOS 12.3.2. So if you've been looking around for the update and you can't find it on your device, especially if you have like the newer iPhone XS or XR, you're not going crazy. It's actually only available for iPhone 8 Plus devices, and you'll see why. The only change in the update is exclusive to the iPhone 8 Plus, but generally I feel like Apple normally will include that bug fix for one device but sort of push the update for everyone else to have the same firmware, ubiquitous or across all devices, because it's kind of weird now. Some people are going to be on 12.3.2 and some people are going to be on 12.3.1. So jumping over to the change log, as you can see here, there is only one change, really a bug fix in the update, and it's always these super specific and niche changes that make me question how this even slipped through the cracks in the first place. But if you have an iPhone 8 Plus, there was an issue where portrait mode would not be capturing the depth effect properly. So let me know down below in the comment section if you were one of the people running into this issue. But I do find it interesting that it was only the iPhone 8 Plus and not even the iPhone 7 Plus or the iPhone 6s Plus or anything like that. Just the iPhone 8 Plus. And security updates, you might be wondering, well, did the iPhone 8 Plus get any specific security updates because of this? The answer to that is no. Apple has confirmed that really the literal only change in the update is for the iPhone 8 Plus. With this update coming out today, it makes me question when the next major iOS 12 update is coming, because don't forget, iOS 12.4, the next major update, is already in testing. I think we're on beta 4 or 5 now, so the release is coming up shortly. And of course, you know what that means. The Apple Card just around the corner. Now, summer does not officially start until June 21st. Apple has said the Apple Card is coming this summer, so it could come as early as late June or early July, but we still really don't have that specific time frame or release date just yet for the Apple Card or iOS 12.4. Now, in the meantime, for everybody else on iOS 13 Beta 1, the more I've gotten to use it, the more I've noticed, yeah, it's pretty buggy, and it's a good idea that Apple hasn't made it super easy to get on if you aren't a developer. I mean, it's fun. I love dark mode. I'm not trading it. It still is on my daily driver, but I am really looking forward to when Beta 2 of iOS 13 is going to be released. So obviously, the public beta is coming in July. Apple has already announced that. That's where literally anybody will be able to hop on the beta, test it out for themselves free of charge. If you are a developer, I've been looking at the dates, and Beta 2 should be dropping on either Tuesday, June 18th, or Wednesday, June 19th. The past few major iOS beta updates, there's been either 15 or 16 days since the initial Beta 1 was released before Beta 2 came out, and I think Apple's probably going to follow a similar trend this year. These dates are not confirmed, that's not what I'm trying to say, but based on what Apple has done, it will probably be released on Tuesday, June 18th, or Wednesday, June 19th, with the possibility it could come out on Monday, the 17th as well. In the meantime, if you have an iPhone 8 Plus, get to be a little bit cooler than the rest of us for just a little bit, a higher public release version, and for everybody else, sit tight. I'm sure iOS 12.4 is just around the corner. That's all I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something new, drop a like. It would seriously help me out, and hit subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest Apple news. I'm Sam, and I'll see you all in my next video.